In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Microsoft Forms. We will walk through how saving works for the form itself, for your own responses, and for exporting results. First, let us talk about saving a form while you are creating it. Microsoft Forms automatically saves your form as you create or edit it. There is no save button on the screen, so you never have to hunt for one. Every time you add a question, change wording, or adjust options, those changes go straight into your Microsoft account. If you close the browser or move to a different device, you can open Microsoft Forms again, and your form will appear with the latest edits already stored. Now, let us switch to saving your own responses as a respondent. This only works if the form creator has enabled the feature. Complete the Microsoft form by answering every question that is required. Then click Submit at the bottom of the form. Right after that, you land on the Thank You page, which confirms that your answers were received. On this thank you page, look for the option that says Save My Response, or it might say Save My Response to Edit if the form allows changes later. Click that option. When this feature is available and you use it, your response is stored under Filled Forms in Microsoft Forms. There you can open it later and review exactly what you submitted, including the answers you chose or typed. Next, let us look at saving form responses to Excel when you are the form owner. Open your form in Microsoft Forms so you see the editing view. Along the top, select the Responses tab. This tab shows the total number of responses and some basic charts. Click Open in Excel. Excel opens a workbook that contains all the responses, one row per submission, and one column per question. Each time you use Open in Excel from the Responses tab, Microsoft Forms builds that workbook from the latest data. You can now save the workbook in OneDrive to keep it online, or download it as an Excel file on your computer if you prefer working locally. From there, you can also save responses as a PDF. Open the responses in Excel using Open in Excel so you are looking at the workbook with all the data. In Excel, choose File, then Save As, or choose Export, then PDF. This creates a PDF version of the response data that you can store, share, or print. There is also an option connected to response receipts. If the form creator allows response receipts, respondents can print or download a PDF receipt of their submitted responses from the thank you page. That receipt shows what was submitted and can be kept as a personal record. You have now learned how Microsoft Forms auto-saves your form, how to save your own responses, and how to export results to Excel or PDF. If this helped you keep better records of your forms, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Microsoft tips.